Good morning and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee, and I've decided to let my co-host, Josh Kenworthy, sleep in today. Because let's face it, if he's going to try to take on Peter Brook, he's going to need all the rest he can get. But even more than that, if he's going to try to take on Pebble Beach, he's going to need a lot of rest. Now, because of all the hikes today, we sent our field reporter Aiden Patel out into the field to test your agility, stability, and strength, because you're going to need a lot of that for all these hikes. Let's see what you got.
Alright, so I got this cool card trick I want to show you. Okay. Pick any card. Alright, now spin it around in your hand 3 times. Ooh. And put it back in. Alright, now.
What are you doing? Is that the card trick?
Any card, and I'll find it for you. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, now, close your eyes and say hello 5 times.
Hello, 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 hello.
One time. Now open your eyes, and your card is...
You saw nothing. What?
Now close your eyes. The card is...
Oh. You got me. You got me, Johnny.
Put it down your shirt. Keep it there. Now close your eyes. Move your ears up and down.
Are you not amazed?
No.
You look Disney.
I will attempt to find your card in this deck.
Okay. Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, right there. Oh, shoot! Who is that? Is this just a trick or what?
Anywhere? Okay. Now.
That's not part of the card trick. Do you know your card?
Yeah?
Shuffle the deck.
What was that?
Ready? Now tell him what his card is.
Oh my goodness. Well, hello. That's your trick.
Not enough butter.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
Oh, but he will. Don't worry.
What's my card?
Your card is this card.
Yeah.
You know the card? Now I do.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, Thomas.
And
This is awkward. You almost hit your head. I almost killed him with my bomb.
now.
I just got clean. I went in the ocean and got clean.
Oh, Johnny. If you wanted a hug, you could have just asked.
Thanks, Cal.